Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. And right now we're running a huge sale on a bunch of great USA made items. We've got a bunch of production knives as well as a bunch of custom pieces on sale. I've brought a few of the cool production items over here. Let's take a look. So first up, we've got one of our perennial favorites from Kershaw, the Ken Onion designed Leek, featuring his world-famous speed-safe assisted opening mechanism. This particular version features a dark brown aluminum handle with a DLC-coated modified Wharncliffe blade. This is a great low-profile EDC option, especially in this color combination, and the 14C28N steel on that blade can get a lot of work done. It's very easy to maintain and takes a very keen edge. Next up, we've got another great EDC design, this time from Spyderco. This is a sprint run version of their popular Native 5 with some truly fantastic materials going on. The handle scales are made of peel ply carbon fiber to give you a lot of grip. The knife opens up into a full 4-finger grip thanks to that forward finger choil right there. And the blade steel is laminated, featuring CPM 154 on the outer layers with a cutting edge of S90V, providing just a ton of edge retention and a very usable blade shape. Next up, we've got one of the more popular releases from the last year, and this is the Bradley Kimura. There are a few different handle colors available on this knife, but I'm particularly taken with this set of red and black G10. The really cool thing about this knife is it's sort of an intermediate step in the balisong market. It's definitely nicer than most of the entry-level products in the market, but it's not going to set you back a few $100s like the truly high-end pieces will. It offers phenomenal flipping performance that's really going to help your bally game in the long run. Double that with the fact that it comes with 154 cm steel in a very usable blade shape, and this is actually a balisong that you could everyday carry if you so chose. If your tastes run a bit more traditional, you can always pick up a nice slip joint. And this knife here is from Shatton Morgan's Keystone series. This is a classic muskrat pattern slip joint with 2 long California clip point blades. They're high polished out of 420HC stainless steel and even come numbered in this case. Further setting this knife apart is it comes with a set of genuine stag handle covers. Oftentimes on knives like this, you'll see imitation materials, so it's refreshing to see an all-natural cover. If you're looking for a good camp knife that's affordable enough that you can really thrash on it without feeling guilty, the Ontario Spec Plus Alpha Machete is going to fit the bill. Ontario calls this knife a machete, but it's really more of a small chopper, with a 7-inch blade, chisel point here, and a robust flat grind here. Means you can do some good chopping with it, you can split wood with it very well, and it feels very good in the hand. It's not too heavy either. This is really going to be there when you need it most. If you want your camp knife to look a little more classy, we've got a ton of options from Blackjack Classic Blades. This is the model 127, and it features this long clip point blade of A2 steel with a convex grind. That's going to make it great for outdoor applications, including hunting, cooking, and general camp use. We've got a few different blade profiles available as well as a few different handle options. This one right here features antique ivory micarta for a really warm and classic look. So we've got over 500 American-made items that are marked down right now, and this is just a very small sampling right here in front of me. If you want to get your hands on any of these or see what else we've got for sale, click the link in the description below to head on over to KnifeCenter.com.